Hello and welcome back to chloecrypto for another video. Now in today's video we're going to be covering Coquini, Pepe 2, Slothana, Chloe, and finally the one really super ultra high risk meme token called Whales Club. So if you like the sound of that, guys, do me a favor and just drop me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. So looking at Coquini, it looks like that we have fallen back into this level right over here. That's the level which we've been going sideways for the longest. We saw some volume being pumped in to Coquini. Now it looks like we're reversing back into this level. That's not too bad, guys, because whether you want to enter here, they like to enter here for that move back up to the last all-time highs right up here. That would give you approximately 100 and I think 108 to 100% move to the upside. Yeah, it gives it exactly 108% move to the upside, which is not too shabby if you're looking for a short-term trade. If you are a hodler, guys, you could make some serious gains from this one, because my prediction for this coin has always been quite high up, as I'm expecting this one to go at least 100x from here, but I reckon we could do more, because the whole core narrative in the meme space, I just believe that during this ultra bull season coming in, we can see some crazy and ridiculous prices for Coquini. And once this Coquini goes up, I believe the rest of the cogs like Black Cock INU, Micro and Soft Cock INU would explode along with it, because that is just the cock narrative. Anyway, I won't go too much into that. We're just focusing on this one. Once we do break this all-time high level, guys, we could be going on much more higher prices. So the current price is at 0.505749. That is not too shabby, guys, that we are only 108% move to the upside. This could be done fairly quickly. However, we just need to wait until we see a reversal from here where we go up, because now we pull back into this level. We just need to see a bump to the upside. Once that happens, guys, we could be at least retesting the last all-time highs before we go off to the races. This could be an extremely decent play. So if you are Cock INU holder, let me know in the comments, are you super bullish as I am on this project? Let's head over to Pepe 2. Pepe 2 has not yet experienced a crazy ride to the upside, but we are just on the cusp from that happening. Guys, if you're looking for the safest meme coin that's on virtually all the exchanges, Pepe 2 could be the one. One is still mega tiny. It is extremely cheap, and we can see this one literally explode. The question is, how much higher can we go from here, and how far are we away from the all-time highs? So if you measure from here to the top right there, we could be looking at approximately 66% move to the upside in order for us to at least retest the all-time highs. We can go much higher from here, because if we head over to the DEX tool, we can see the total market cap for this one is at 29 million, and the total circulating supply is at 468 trillion tokens. Now that is huge. That is extremely huge, guys. So the question is, how much higher can we actually go from here? Well, realistically, just by taking a look at the market cap, we could in fact do 100x from here. Can we do much more higher than that? Quite possibly. All we've got to do is look what's happened to Pepe. Pepe saw a ridiculous ride to the top. If you look at the Pepe, the one on the Solana, we are starting noticing quite a lot of coins from the Ethereum as well as base moving over to the Solana. However, I'm a bit skeptical on some of these coins coming over, because we need to do our due diligence to make sure that these are not scams. Just by checking out the tokenomics, it looks like if we just base it on the total market cap, we can at least do 100x from here. Now that will be doable. How much higher, guys, I'm not too certain. Well, why don't we just see what happens over the next couple of weeks, and then I'll cast my opinions on this one and see how far and how high we can go. Either way, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if I see this at 100x from the current price, which means if you go over to the Pepe chart, we can see this literally explode to go a much higher high than here. Whether we see on exchanges that you go like 100x, I'm not too sure. Quite possibly. Let me just check how the chart looks like on the DEX tool on a weekly chart. If it resembles, then yeah, you can pretty much follow this in a same trajectory. Yeah, it's more or less the same, guys. So I reckon for this one we should be able to see an easy 100x from here. How much higher? I'm not sure, guys. I'm not holding the crystal ball, but either way, you can either get in right now, for instance, or wait for further pullback for the entry and just literally only invest the money that you can afford to lose, because anything can happen in the crypto space. But if we get in now, for example, just forget about it and come back during a mega bull season, or at least a mega bull run kicks in. So that's my thoughts on Pepe 2. So why don't we head over to Slothana? Because Slothana, we saw a disgusting pullback, but to be fair, it is exactly what we expected. The current market cap is at 32 million, so we've been doing quite well actually. Had you gone into the pre-sale and you stayed in it and you watched this ride up here and you took some profit, congratulations, guys. You have made a boss move there. However, we are seeing a pullback. Now this pullback is quite disgusting. It looks like we could possibly continue to pull our way back even further, because just by looking at the charts, we do need to see for us to come down a little bit lower before potentially entering. So I'm not the biggest advocate for Slothana. I'm not their biggest fan, that's for sure. However, it is still a tradable chart. Look at this, guys. Now this could actually work out, even if you don't see a massive pullback into the lower lows right about down there. If we see here, we see the bigger red candles becoming smaller, and we start to go sideways here too, only until we see a breakout from this level here. Then this could be a very nice tradable event. And what I mean by that, any charts can be traded on if they're like S coins, but at the end of the day, we need to see a confirmation, and my confirmation would be the second that we break up here and we close above here, then I could be looking to target at least back up to this level we expect the chart. Okay, so if we got into a trade from here, let's say we get in right now and then we target up here, that will easily give you 1x from here, almost 2x. If you measure right from the top, it will give you about 2x return, which isn't too shabby. But if we take a look at the market cap, it's currently at 32 million. So 10x from here, it will put the market cap at 320 million, which it isn't too bad. But we're not going to see 100x for this token. I just don't think we'll see 100x. But either way, guys, let me know what you think and leave it in the comment section, because I'd like to hear your thoughts on this project. They are still looking to burn a lot more tokens. I think once they get to 10 cents, from what I can remember, once they get to 10 cents, they'll burn the last burns, which means after 10 cents, they would have burned at least 10 million tokens. But anyway, let's get into the final token, and that is the Whales Club. Now this one, guys, is a super tiny market cap. This is perhaps one of the most risky swaps because the market cap is well under 1 million. However, what's really attractive about this, the total supply is less than 1 billion. Look at that, it's actually 95 million. That is as insane. This reminds me a little bit of Wojak, and it reminds me of Chloe, because their market cap is so super tiny. In fact, we saw a huge run up for Wojak and also Chloe in the recent days. We are experiencing some cooling off period for that, but I can still see huge moves coming in for them. If we take a look at the current chart for Whales Club, it looks like we could easily reach back its all-time highs. So from where we are currently now to all-time highs, that will give us 667% move to the upside. Now that is pretty decent move, guys. However, it is a risky play, and I'm not sure if they're going to rug, but there are ways to check on how to do that. I did mention in my previous videos that I will do a video on that. I will do that at some point during next week, because after this video I'll be taking 3, 2, 1. After this video, I'm going to be taking a bit of a break, or at least until tomorrow, maybe even Tuesday. Yeah, probably Tuesday I'll come back, because I've got a lot more things I've got to do in my private life. But either way, guys, I just want to bring this to your attention, and you can do what you want. Remember, guys, just do your due diligence, and most importantly, only invest what you can afford to lose. So for this one, we could see a humongous potential just by looking at the tokenomics. They do have a lot of socials available for you there as well, so quite possibly this could be an insane trade, only if it doesn't rug. It doesn't look like it's going to rug anytime soon though, so I guess this could be a winner for the massive returns that you can get. Reason why, because if you take a look at the market cap, is at $261,000. 10x from here, you put the market cap at 2.6 million, and then 100x from here, you put it at 26 million. Now that is extremely doable. 1000x from here is also doable, but it really depends on their marketing team and also how popular the coin is. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you are aware of this token and whether you are bullish or bearish. Right, guys, so this is it for the video. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, guys, just do me a favor, just give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can be updated for all my latest contents such as this. If you haven't done so already, head over towards my YouTube channel, subscribe to me there, hit the bell notification, scroll down, check out my last few videos, especially this one here, and I'll see you all in the next one.